Now, let's perform the test. First, write the child's name clearly on the test, so you do not run the risk of mixing up the test with a test of another child. Tell the patient that you would like to make a finger prick to test for malaria. Open the spirit swab and clean the child's fourth finger of the left hand. Allow the finger to dry in the air. Do not blow or wipe the finger. This will contaminate the finger again. Place the spirit swab in the wrapper and put it aside. You will use the swab again later. Once the finger is dry, open the lancet. Prick the child's fourth finger, the one that you have cleaned, to get a drop of blood. Pricking the tip or midline is more painful. Check to be sure that the finger pricked produces enough blood. Then, immediately discard the lancet in a sharps box. Do not put the lancet down. This will increase the risk that you can prick yourself when you try to pick up the lancet later. And never use the same lancet for more than one person. Tend the child's arm so the palm is facing downwards. Squeeze the pricked finger and allow a drop to well up below the fingertip. Then, immediately use the blood collecting device. In this test, we use a loop to collect a drop of blood from below. It is easier to collect the correct amount of blood in the loop from below with the child's palm facing downwards. Do not wait, as the blood might coagulate or dry up. After you have taken the drop of blood, give the spirit swab to the caregiver. Ask the caregiver to hold the child's finger to stop the bleeding. Use the loop to put the drop of blood into the sample well marked A. Make sure that the blood is absorbed by the pad at the base of the hole. It should not be deposited on the plastic edges of the well. An easy way to deposit the blood in the correct place is to push the loop vertically into the well until it touches the pad at the base. Push down slightly so that the larger part of its surface touches the pad. Take care that blood does not flick up when pushing the device. Discard the loop in the sharps box immediately. Do not place it on the table or elsewhere before discarding it. Hold the buffer solution bottle vertically and put the exact number of drops specified in the instructions in the buffer well marked B. In this example, we shall use 2 drops. Count the number of drops carefully. It is important to add the exact number of drops. Wait for a correct period of time after adding the buffer before reading the test results. In this example, wait for 20 minutes. The health worker added the buffer at 9 o'clock. She will be able to read the results after 20 minutes. She will be able to read the results when it is 20 past 9. While you wait, you can see that the blood is beginning to wick up the strip. It is disappearing from the sample well A and beginning to appear in the rectangular results window. Then the blood also disappears from the results window. It will leave only the control line, and if the test is positive, a line in the test window T. Once the buffer has been added, it is no longer necessary to wear the gloves. Take off the gloves and put them in the non-sharps container. Then wait to read the test results. While waiting for 20 minutes to pass, we will now learn how to read the test results.